Buluvinaka, and a good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to thank Team Legit for this invitation. I first met up with them when I went to the car show that was held at Albert Park, and it was a wonderful opportunity to meet all the car enthusiasts. A lot of people were there from all over Fiji, and there's obviously an amazing group of, there's a real subculture of car enthusiasts in Fiji, and I'm glad that Team Legit has organized this here in Nakasi today. I'd like to thank the organizers for this particular gathering here, and also thank all the car enthusiasts. You know, Fiji is a very young population. 65% of the population is below the age of 35. 70% of the population is below the age of 40. So there's a lot of young people. They have a lot of different interests. In such organizations, with particularly in the interest of sports, in the interest of cars, does provide them an avenue to showcase not just their skill sets, but be able to have some form of a hobby that is legitimate, that is something that many people are interested in. And of course, as I've said to the different car clubs around Fiji, that it is a great opportunity for us to, as a tourist nation, to be able to showcase to the people who visit our country as to what the potential is in Fiji. So we'd like to work with all the different car associations. We hope that they come together to be able to then work with government so we can have some permanent fixtures throughout the year. We can have some permanent locations, as we mentioned some months back at Albert Park, that we can do that throughout Fiji and be able to showcase to the tourists and other people who come to Fiji, to show them what we can do as a country, to show what our young people can do. So without further ado, I would like to once again thank the organizers for this. I understand there's a number of awards. May the best car win, but let me also say that every single participant at this particular gathering is a winner. I know a lot of young people sacrifice a lot of their time, their energy, and of course a lot of money to bring their cars up to a particular level, to a particular standard. So we should recognize that. We should also thank them for that. It also creates an industry around the automobile industry, which we should also support, and we are obviously very keen to support. So once again, thank you for the invitation, and we wish you all the best. Vinaka, thank you.